Okay, here's my first question, but don't tell the answer, I'll let to this to raise your hand. Okay, my first question is, who knows the answer? Okay, how many colors are there in UAE flag? Okay, okay, Kuya, come here. Come on. What is your name first? Matt. Okay, how many colors are there in UAE flag?
4.
Do you know what are the colors?
Red, green, white, and black.
Very good. Clap our hands for Kuya Matt. Okay, because Kuya Matt, because you're our winner, you will receive a special not this one. Sorry. Okay, so mamaya sa purposes natin. Okay, sakto dito. Okay, this one. Okay, here we go. Now, go back there, Kuya Matt. Okay, next question. Okay, see Kuya Matt already won our prizes. My next question is, put your hands down. Okay, what is the tallest building? Okay, Kuya, come here. Okay, come on. What is the tallest building in Canada? I'm just joking. What's the tallest building in the whole world?
Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa! Very good. Okay, here we go.